everyone, it's Michelle Caruana from the Marketing Junkie podcast, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how I use Kajabi and Searchy together to deliver the best possible experience for my clients. And at the end of the video, in the second half, I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like on my end as a course creator, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like for one of my students in one of my programs so that you can hopefully envision that for your own business. Now, I get a lot of questions about why I use both Kajabi and Searchy because, as you might know, Searchy recently rolled out a platform in which you can host your courses or your membership platform, so it's actually expanding its services. Now, I am currently using Kajabi for my course and membership hosting platform service, and while I am constantly evaluating platforms, I am really happy with Kajabi, so while I may consider moving to Searchy in the future, I do still currently use Kajabi for all of my course and membership hosting services. I use Searchy for something else, which is what I'm going to talk about next. So basically, I use Searchy in two ways to, again, deliver the best possible experience for my clients. Number one is I like to make at least most of my videos searchable. So what I mean by that is for my membership, for example, I've had my Playmaker Society membership for over 2 years. And at one point we were doing 2 coaching calls a month. Now we moved to 1. But basically I have over 50 hours of coaching calls in there. And I noticed that when new members were joining, they saw the value in these coaching calls and in these archives, but they were really overwhelmed. And in addition to my program that they were also taking in conjunction with the memberships and the monthly deliverables in my membership, they were frankly quite overwhelmed, and they just did not have the time or resources available to actually sit down and get the true value from these 50 hours of coaching calls in the archives. So when I found Searchy, I knew right away that it was the perfect solution for me, because one thing about my membership as well is that it has business owners from all over the spectrum. So I have people just starting out in their brick and mortar business journey, and I have people that are seasoned owners. So they all need different things at different times in their journey. So I love that Searchy allows me to make my videos searchable, so that, let's say, if somebody is looking for lease suggestions or looking for insurance suggestions, somebody that is in the beginning stages of their business plan and of their journey, they can go ahead and search all of those coaching calls. And again, I'm going to show you what that looks like in just a few minutes. And it will actually show you the exact timestamp and bring you to the spot in that coaching call where it mentions that particular topic. So it allows them to get as much value as possible from those coaching calls, exactly when they need it, exactly what topic they need it on, without having to spend 50 hours watching through all of the videos. The second way that I use Searchy for my course content is I like to always add closed captions to all of my courses, all of my coaching calls, all of my webinar replays, and things like that. So Searchy makes it so easy to upload a video, easily download an SRT file, which is basically the file that you need to upload closed captions. And then I can just go ahead and upload that SRT file into Kajabi to add closed captions to my video, so that not only is it more accessible if somebody has a hearing impairment or something like that, but it also just makes the content more easily available to consume for everybody. If somebody has some distractions going on, or if they can't quite hear, or if they're commuting on a bus, or if they just can't listen with sound right now, they can easily follow along with the topics, and they can easily follow along with what I'm saying by just simply reading the closed captions. And it's so important to make your content easy to consume in both of these ways, because I found that if people aren't consuming your content, if you don't make it extremely easy for them to do so, they don't get results. They're not able to implement what you're teaching. And if they aren't able to get results, you aren't able to get success stories or testimonials. And those success stories, as I learned in Tribe with Stu McLaren, and as I've learned in countless other programs, these success stories are really what fled people into your programs without having to spend a ton of money on ads. These success stories really sell your programs and services for themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into my Searchy portal, and I'm going to show you exactly how it looks to integrate Searchy with Kajabi. So first, I'm going to show how I make my videos searchable using Searchy and Kajabi. So when you log into Searchy, this is what you see. And all of your content can be organized into folders. So basically categories of content. So I have an automatic plugin where it uploads all of my Marketing Junkie podcast episodes so that I can make those automatically searchable on my website. But with my course videos or my workshops and webinars, PMS stands for Playmaker Society, those I upload after I complete the recordings in Zoom. So basically, when you embed a widget on your website, which is basically what I'm going to show you next with Kajabi, you can organize your content into categories so that, for example, let's go into my Playmaker Society folder. These are all of my coaching calls. So when somebody is typing into search coaching call videos, I don't want something to pop up from my podcast. So that is how Searchy organizes it. It allows you to organize your content into folders. So again, what I do after I complete the coaching call is I just go ahead and upload it here. And then what I do is I have an automatic widget embedded on my Kajabi website, which I'll show you now. So under products in Kajabi, I'm going to go ahead and click on Playmaker Society because this is the one I mainly use the searchability feature for. Next, I'm going to hit Customize. Under Theme, again, I'm going to go ahead and hit Customize. Now, I have changed the theme here several times. I will say that I was using the social media theme before, and it actually didn't integrate with Searchy. So be really careful when you do decide to integrate with Searchy that you are using a theme that is compatible. So this Premier theme is compatible. So as you can see, this is what the widget looks like in Kajabi. So basically, it is just a custom block of code. There is a code that you can go ahead and paste from Searchy that you can go ahead and paste here. You can customize it a little bit, which I'll show you in a second. But basically, it allows anything to be searched. And now don't forget, when you type a search term in here, like for example, parties, it's not calling out to the videos in Kajabi, it's calling out to the videos in your Searchy folder that you designate when you design this widget, which I'll show you in a moment. But first, I want to show you what this looks like for my students. So basically, this is exactly what it looks like for a student of mine. So I'm going to type in the word parties just to give you an example. So now, as you can see, it goes ahead and it calls to that Searchy folder, and it looks up anytime we mention the word parties. So as you can see, because this is a brick and mortar business for birthday parties, this is quite a common term. So it doesn't just tell you exactly where to go. So as you can see, it says coaching call March 2019, 32 minutes and 13 seconds. You can click on it and it actually brings up that portion of the video, which I think is just so nifty. So I'll try again and I'll type something like lease. As you can see, it will bring up all of the times again where we talk about leases. So this is so extremely valuable to all of my members. And it actually, all I have to do is set up the widget one time and then upload the coaching call videos when I'm done. So really quickly, I'm going to go ahead and hit widget so you can see what this looks like. So as you can see, I call this widget my search coaching call widget. It's not as customizable as I would like it to be, but it's definitely functional, and that's really what I care about most. So again, you can change your colors, you can upload your logo, and then all you have to do is find the code and then go ahead and export it using this. So you can have as many widgets set up as you want. Based on the settings, again, as you can see, I selected the folder that I want this widget to call to. It selected the Playmaker Society folder, and that's where I upload all of my Playmaker Society calls. All right, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to create SRT files so that you can add closed captions to your Kajabi courses. So I'm going to go into Playmaker Society again for this. And let's do coaching call for October 2020. Or we'll do September 2020 because I actually didn't do closed captions for that one quite yet. So all I'm going to do is click these three dots here. I'm going to click download, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit download SRT. Now, something that I'm going to be offering starting this year is I'm actually going to be downloading the text file, turning that into a PDF, and making transcripts available for all of my videos. That's something that has been requested multiple times. I just haven't got to it yet, but Searchy does also make that incredibly easy. And their transcription service is so much more reliable than any that I've used, even paid services. The word matching is so advanced. I absolutely love it. And side note, if you do want to edit something, so if you want to go ahead and edit the transcript, if their transcription service was not quite right, you can go ahead and edit it here, and then you can download the SRT file with your edits made. But I'm just going to assume that I'm happy with it, and I'm going to go ahead into Kajabi, and I'm going to show you exactly how I upload that SRT file. So I'm just going to go ahead back to products because it's just easier to start over than click the back button a billion times. So again, I'm going to go into Playmaker Society. I'm going to go into Coaching Calls September 2020, I think I'm doing. So all you have to do is open the post. I already have my video uploaded. If you don't have your video uploaded, you go ahead and do that first. And then under Video Actions, I'm just going to go ahead and hit Closed Captions. And then all I'm going to do is hit Add Closed Caption, and then I'm just going to drag this SRT file right here, and it takes less than a minute to upload. I'm going to go ahead and click Save It, and that is going to allow my video to have closed captions. It is as simple as that. All right, that about wraps up my tutorial about how I integrate Searchy with my Kajabi website in order to make my videos more consumable, because we all know that is the biggest end goal. We want to get our students success, and we want to make it as easy as possible for them to do so. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to my channel. I put out a new video every single week. And as always, if you want more in-depth marketing help, go to my podcast. It's the Marketing Junkie Podcast on any platform. I will see you over there. Have a great day.